Hi, I'm Garret.
Hi, I'm Juhyoung.
For our CAD and 3D printing tools mastery, we printed out this chess set.
To prototype the chess set, we familiarized ourselves with CAD and 3D printing by printing out 2 rings each. We also looked up existing chess sets to model off of, as well as the standard size for chess pieces. We then designed the pieces in Fusion 360, redoing them until we liked how they look. We then 3D printed them at the Co-Innovation Lab.
The main issue was that the 3D printing wasn't as fine or smooth as we wanted it to be. This left rough edges around the side of the pieces and made them look pretty ugly. We tried to fix this by taking wire cutters and snipping off some of the excess plastic, but rough edges can still be seen. We believe that the problem that caused the roughness in the first place was layer thickness. As this is a limitation of the printer itself, we do not believe that reprinting them will improve their quality.
Using cylinders for the bulk of the chess pieces worked well because they are easily turned into layers for the 3D printer to make. Anything extruding from the main body is much harder to design, work with, and print. These parts need support during the printing process and are super easy to break off accidentally. For example, the King's Cross is extremely easy to bend and break off.
Through this project, we have learned the limitations and potential of CAD, namely the 2 operations of extruding and rotating. When extruding, squares and cylinders are easy to make, but detailed shapes are more difficult. When rotating, cylinders and curves are easy, but anything not curved was almost impossible. We also realized that the only good orientation for printing the pieces was to stand them on their base. This minimizes supports, as the printer can work from the bottom up without having to deal with overhanging ledges. This is also why we chose a bottom-up sequence of drawing our stands. We realized that small, rigid surfaces make a piece more difficult to render, while large, curved surfaces make it easy. The base and main body can be made using a couple different methods. Extruding is the easiest, as in most cases we only have to draw one shape in one plane and then we can drag it to whatever height we want.